Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, hello everyone, hello. Okay. Today my friend and I will review some of the article guys, we have read before. Introduce. My name is AJENG CANDRA INDRAWATI. Just call me Ajeng. Is not there. Okay? And my friend name is...
My name is ANDIN MAULANA YUSUF FARHAN. You can call me ANDIN. So today I'm going to have a podcast with one of my friend named Ajeng. And we are going to talk about stuff. Hello Ajeng.
Hello Andin.
How are you today?
I am fine, thank you. How about you?
Well, I'm fine too. Do you remember the assignment that the lecturer gave us previously about reviewing an article? Well, there are a few articles that I read and I think it's interesting about it.
Yes, of course.
So what about you? Do you have any article that you think interesting?
Yes, there are.
Well, what is it?
Interesting article in my opinion is titled "What's in the Heart of a Comet?" Okay Andin, I like some of the article I read, including "What's in the Heart of the Comet?" Where this article discuss what is in the comet core or heart. Here, it is explained if the comet core approaches the sun, part of its surface will boil and form a long tail. In addition, science say that the comet core is like a dirty snowball made of ice. Particle and gas found in the comet core or comet's heart will make clouds around the nucleus, called comets. In the comet that are hot, but science don't know what the hole is large or small. The scientists estimate that if a large hole is possible, that the comet is formed from big rocks that are dirty, but if that hole is small, it means that the comet is formed from many filthy snow globes. The comet's core is also said to be like glue because its rocky and dusty structure will then be brittle. Inside the comet core there is a very black material where this carbon beside material is similar to an oily black that's barbecue grill. In short, the comet was formed from ice, moon-style water ice, silicate dust like powder sandbag, and this dark type of speech. In comet, almost all take the form of water ice, but some of them are in the form of carbon dioxide ice evaporates faster than water ice. The reason I chose to review this article is that I like about article that discuss comet plus this discuss the core or heart of a comet. Andin, do you think the article that I read is interesting?
Well, I think it's interesting, especially the part when you said that the comet itself made out of ice and water. Uh, because I think the comet is, made of like a rock or an asteroid that are going in an orbit or being pulled by a certain gravity, not made out of ice and such. So I think, yeah, it's interesting.
So from the few article that the listener gave us, which article do you think was interesting?
Well, there are some article that are, I think, interesting from the article that been given to us by the lecture, and it's and the title is The Leaning Tower of Pisa, and the title is The Leaning Tower of Pisa.
Tuhan.
Today I'm going to share you a few of the articles that I have read, and one of them is called The Leaning Tower of Pisa. For a short story, it was a tower that are being built in the middle of Italy and in a city called Pisa. The people start building the tower at 1173, and when as the tower start but soon the tower started to lean because it was not built on a good enough base. The ground below the tower has some loose sand and shells, so as the builder make the tower taller, the base moved. Over the year, the tower leaned more and more. Then, people worked to stop it from leaning too much. Now, the tower still leans, but it leans less than it used to be. And that's how the current leaning tower of Pisa are made. And speaking of tower, it remind me about the tallest building in the world. And currently, the one that hold the title is a building called Burj Khalifa. And not just that, but it's also connected to one of my of the article that I have read. Not about the Burj Khalifa. No, 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 no. It's about the previous tower that hold the title the tallest building in the world, and it's called the Petronas Twin Towers. Well, short story. Um, the tower are located in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. They are 1,483 feet tall, and in metric system, wait a minute, let me calculate first. In metrics, the it's 451.9 meter tall. That's pretty tall. Well, it was used. Well, it was it the pet between 1998 and 2003. The Petronas Tower were the tallest building in the world, but in 2003, a building in Taipei became the tallest building in the world. The architect added a spire to the top of building in Taipei to make it taller than Petronas Tower. Its spire looked like a pyramid and does not contain rooms or floor, but many people think that spires make building more beautiful. Okay, back to the Petronas Twin Tower. The two towers were built using 36, 36 and 8 and 910 tons of steel. Well, for the people out there that use pound, 1 ton is 2,000 pounds, so the building is very heavy. The two steel buildings are connected at the 42nd tower. They are connected by bridge, and people can walk across the bridge and look out over the city. This is not recommended for the people who are afraid of height. Really. Even though the tower are 88 stories high, it didn't take long to get to the top of the tower. In fact, it only take 90 seconds for the tower elevator to take people from the first floor to the 88th floor. The tower have 32,000 windows, and you can imagine the view at the top of it. Currently, the Petronas Twin Tower, originally, the Petronas Twin Tower were built to serve as a headquarters for a gas company called Petronas. The tower now contains many different types of facilities, such as clothing clothes, theater, and museum.
No, because I don't like the history of the tower. So, I don't like it and intend to read the article that you explained to me.
Um, Ajeng, I think that's all the time that I have for today, because the exam is near and I need time to start, and all of us is busy to getting ready for the exam, for the final exam. So, and I think that's all, and I hope I can see you again next time. Bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.
Stay home and stay healthy.
Stay at home, stay healthy. That's all my video this time. See you in the next video. Don't forget
to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay?